At first, I was very closed off because I was just very intimidated. But then as the animation started rolling in, all of a sudden I was fully drawn to this. And then sometimes I found myself only telling myself that I was going to do 2 hours of work, and 2 hours turned into four turned into six, and then so on and so forth. That was just the fun of it. My name is Connor, and I'm studying graphic design at Pixelcraft. The one thing that stood out for me the most was working with my colleagues. Getting involved in the practical work and feeling like a crew was very enjoyable because you weren't just sitting at your desk, you were up and about and doing practical stuff, which was beneficial for graphic design because this gives you proper experience of what it's like to be a graphic designer. I would recommend this course especially to people like me who feel as if they need just a bit of a push, because one of the biggest things is that you ease into it very beautifully, and the creativity that just comes into this course is just breathtaking.